Craving something cozy and satisfying? This beef and potato stew is exactly what you need. Rich, hearty, and full of comfort in every bite. Let's start with the beef. Add the pieces to a mixing bowl and drizzle some vegetable oil. Season with curry powder. You can make yours at home, recipes linked above. Add salt and pepper, then mix until every piece is well coated. Set that aside while we prepare the vegetables. Now that everything is ready, let's start cooking. Add the beef to a hot pot and let it sear for 5 to 10 minutes. This step is optional, but searing adds depth and makes the stew extra flavorful. Once browned, set the beef aside. In the same pot, add a little oil. Add the red onions and fry until soft and golden. Stir in the ginger and the garlic and cook until fragrant. Add in your tomatoes and let them cook until soft and broken down. This forms a thick, rich base for our stew. Now toss in the green bell peppers, carrots and coriander stems. Stir everything together and let it cook for a couple of minutes. For seasoning, I'm using my homemade citrus herb blend. The recipe is linked above, along with a little more curry powder and salt. Mix until everything is well coated. Return the beef to the pot and stir it in. Let it cook for about 10 minutes so that the flavors really come together. Deglaze the pot with a splash of broth, scraping all the goodness from the bottom. Add the potatoes and mix them in. Pour in more broth depending on how thick or soupy you want your stew to be. Cover and let it simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes until the beef is tender and the potatoes are perfectly cooked. Once ready, finish with a garnish of fresh coriander leaves. And there you have it, a hearty beef and potato stew, rich with flavor and perfect for sharing. I had mine with pilau rice, but it's just as good with chapati, ugali, or even plain rice. How would you serve yours? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out the other recipes linked above. See you there.